Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is April 1st, 2021. This is 142nd episode about vector calculus and classical electromagnetism. In this episode, we will create OpenCL kernel object using Create Kernels in Program. I assume you have watched my previous videos listed here, especially episode 141, Query OpenCL kernel object, get kernel info. Please double click this link. My current session pick up where we left off from our previous episode. So if you haven't watched my previous video, you may not be able to follow my current session. From download source code section, episode 141, double click this link. Show in folder, unzip it, rename 142, create kernels, copy, paste it here. I will delete this one. Now start Visual Studio Code. Open your working folder. From folder 142, double click this file, Ctrl V, Ctrl End. Now scroll up. In our previous episode, we created getKernelInfo, this function. Now here, I will copy and paste a link for your reference. Here, constant character pointer, create kernels result to string clint error num. Please control click this link. Open. We will implement the return type of create kernels in program. If we scroll down, we can find this error message. Copy, open an empty file, paste it here, copy question mark, copy, Ctrl H, replace question mark with empty blank space, replace all. We now removed all question mark. Copy this here, switch, error num, case, paste, colon, return, quote, copy this, paste, fix your code like this. In the same manner, we can implement the remainders I prepared in advance. I will copy and paste. So we created create kernels result to string to handle error message of create kernels in program. Now scroll down. Template bool throw exception true. We will return std vector cl kernel. Create kernels in program. cl program noexcept throw exception we negate. If context per throw exception else here cl unsigned int num kernels or error num cl create kernels in program. The first is program. This program here. The next number of kernels initially 0. Kernels initially null. number of kernels returned. Copy this, paste it here. We pass address. Now, if error num not equal CL success, talk play fun, string, debug, message, debug, message, failed to call. Copy this function. In step 1, NL, we call this function to retrieve the string message by passing error num. Now, talk play fun, throw exception, debug, message. Now here, std vector cl kernels. We allocate memory. We allocate memory for number of kernels in the program. Error num cl create kernels in program. Program number of kernels. Number of kernels. Then kernels. These kernels data number of kernels returned null. If I will just copy this part, copy, paste. This is step 2. Here, step 1. Here, step 2. Here, return kernels. Please note that we are returning vector of kernels. Now scroll down. In the else part, try, return. We call this function, paste here, program. Microsoft compiler complains we have to pass true explicitly. Here, string, and there. Return. Please note that here we are returning empty vector. With this, we completed. Please note that we are returning raw kernels. It should be deleted or decremented after use each element of vector. In this function, here, we don't need programs here. I will just delete it. Auto raw kernels create kernels in program. We pass this program for auto kernel raw kernels. Now auto kernel name get kernel info, we pass kernel, then OpenCL kernel function name. Please understand that we implemented this function in our previous episode. I will paste the link for your reference. Now, string kernel name and there. Now start command prompt cd 142 create kernels dir dpcpp q std c++20 f noexcept ehsc clap.cpp opencl.lib o d.exe, hit enter. clsd. We listed all kernels. We created these kernels in our previous episode. For example, add int, add float, add double, add int, add float, add double. Here, subtract int, subtract int, subtract float, subtract float, subtract double, subtract double, multiply int, multiply int, multiply float, multiply float, multiply double. So we created all kernels using this function. Ctrl V. Returning raw kernel is dangerous. I will change it to raw kernel, then raw kernel, then raw kernel. We rebuild clsd.